Hello and welcome back to my series of videos about old calculators. The last time I was talking about this one, which is a Felix arithmometer, and this was made in the Russian Federation in 1924 and up to the 70s. So that's kind of an old device anyway, 80, 90 years old, but still very useful. You can do addition, multiplication, and simply by turning the wheel here, and it's very easy to use. But this was a mechanical one. So let's jump in time and go back to the electronic revolution of calculators and see something that looks like this. So first of all, it's a very strange design, and if you look on the side, it's even stranger. But if you're like me and if you were here during the 70s, you know that it fits perfectly the era of the 70s. Everything was round and basically shaped like this. So what is this? This, I don't know if you know this device here, which is the little professor of Texas Instruments. Instead of doing the calculation, 2 times 2 equal, the device will ask you for the result and say, for example, 2 times 2 equal, and you have to enter 4, and we'll say yes or no, right or wrong. So this is exactly the same thing. You can select what type of operation you want to do, and the device will tell you if you're right or if you're wrong. In the beginning, it's a little surprising because it will not display what you type, but will display the solution. So let's look at that. First of all, what you notice is the red display. So it's from the 70s, so of course LEDs, and you can select what type of operation you want to do. So addition, subtraction, multiplication. That's a multiplication. And I say exec, and it says something times 2 equals 12. Let's see, could it be 5? I'm going to try 5. And it says wrong, it's not 5, and show you it's 6. So I type again, something times 2 equals 12, and this time I remember it's 6. Right, it's 6. And now I have another operation, something times 7 equals 7. So again, this is how you played it. So it's kind of a big device for what it's doing, as I was showing you before. This one is doing exactly the same thing. It was cheaper, much cheaper, and smaller, and portable. You could put that in your pocket. You can't really put that in your pocket. But anyway, this is very, very interesting and very distinctive of the 70s. And they had different models. And for example, I have the green one here that was kind of a tabletop. And I have the blue one here that's also a different design. Let me see if I can show you that. This is the blue one, which is even more 70s than the other one. Very interesting, but exactly the same thing. I mean, you can select what type of operation you want to do, and it will display, you know, it's the same logic inside, except that the keyboard, instead of being here, has been put in the base here, so you can type and so on. So there were different models, and I think I saw another one somewhere for sale, but I couldn't get it. Anyway, that's from the 70s, the Mathiputer from Cybernetic Systems Incorporation. So thanks again for watching those videos, and next time we'll talk about something completely different as usual. Thank you.